Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I wrap my curls at night when I go to sleep in a satin scarf. So if you would like to check out today's video of how I'm going to wrap up my curls with this beautiful satin scarf from NPTressTreats, then stick around with me. Don't go anywhere, and of course keep watching. And if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Real quick before we get wrapping, I wanted to share with you guys, these curls here are about 5th day curls, and I do have to say they are holding on pretty dang strong. So I typically don't wrap curls like this long, whatever, like 5th day curls. I like to wrap my curls up in a satin scarf from like the 1st to maybe like the 3rd day. And then anything really after that, I'll just kind of put it up really quick in a satin scrunchie. Sometimes I get a little lazy and I will just literally go to sleep with my curls down. But I have a satin pillowcase, so it's kind of forgivable. If I wake up, my hair is kind of crazy, which it typically is after something like that, I'll just go ahead and get a quick refresh, bring those curls back to life, boom, bada bing, done. If, let's just say this was 1st to the 3rd day curls and I'm like, nodding out, it's time for the satin scarf. I like to take my satin scarf and I'm going to fold it into a triangle shape. Now the 2 points that match up together, I'm not going to even them out. I'm going to keep one triangle a little bit lower down than the other side. So they're a little bit uneven, and I'll show you the reason why to that a little bit later. Then I'm going to take it and put the shorter side to the back of my head, and I'm going to take my hand and just kind of brush it through the scarf and my curls to kind of bring them a little bit more forward so they're not all hanging down on my ears. So just kind of smooth everything together. Then I'm going to gather the scarf to the front of my forehead and I tie one knot. From there, I'm going to take the loose ends there and I'm going to bring them back to the nape of my neck and I'm going to tie it in a knot twice. So I'm going to take it once and then not too crazy tight, but tight enough so it's not too loose. And then one more time. Now with the little tails here, I'm going to tuck them in to the side that we pulled back. So just kind of hide them away. I'm going to repeat this on the second side. And then once that is all nice and tucked in away, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the top part. So here's the reason why I make it uneven, because if it's not, I don't have all that extra scarf right there. So I take the extra piece of scarf, I shove all my curls in there, and then I pinch this satin scarf together really close, and then I'm going to begin twisting. So I twist and tuck everything in nice and tight, keep twisting, and then I'm going to tuck it underneath the scarf right next to my forehead. And then once that's all nice and tucked in there and hidden away, we are done. This is how I wrap my curls in my satin scarf. And that is it. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me today and checking out how I wrap up my curls in a satin scarf. And all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers, I hope that all of you come back next Monday and join me for another video. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Whoa! Talk about a curl of a day. So I am so excited to be sharing this video. I just said that, didn't I? I've been actually what am I trying to say? Okay. Oh, it's so hard to say. That is how I wrap my satin scrunchie. Oh my God, why do I keep saying